Time now for a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope your weekend was fantastic. Boy, yesterday's weather was beautiful. I was down in Yakima yesterday, 60 degrees down there with sunshine. It didn't feel like the first part of November. But boy, today it sure did. We had some rain overnight and this morning. It kind of cleared up, and then another storm system moved through. And this is a really cool shot of with our Billy Goat Sky-Fi Tower camera. It's looking up into Okanagan County. There's Pateros right there. But you can see all the dark clouds and yes, some snowfall over the weekend. And that probably happened actually this morning as we were all seeing some mixed precipitation, still seeing some of that up north. And what we're going to see, it looks like, is a lot of wind. And look at all the advisories and warnings all over Washington state. Let's focus in our area. This is a high wind warning area, and this is going to go until about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We've also got a winter storm warning, and that affects the Loop Pass area between Omak and Twisp and Winthrop. So if you're traveling up that way or even around our area, wind will be an issue and snow will be an issue up north. Speaking of wind, look at some of these gust possibilities. 50 to 55 miles an hour tonight here in the Wenatchee area. 35 to 40 miles an hour is possible for Chelan, and about 30 to 35 miles an hour in the Moses Lake area. And if you've traveled on I-90 around Moses Lake, you know that'll kick up some of that dust, so visibility could be an issue tonight traveling east on I-90 or coming back this direction. High temperature today, 54 degrees, and that's 5 degrees above where we should be at 49 now. 66 our record high, and that was set back in 2014. We started off the day at 41. 34 is where we should be for an overnight low, and look at that chilly overnight record, 17 set in 1973. So this 0.04 of an inch, that was picked up this morning at Pangbourne Airport. That did not count that kind of mid-afternoon shower we had today. So I will adjust that tomorrow. It gets us to 3.83 inches so far for the year. Not much. Sunrise this morning, 6:50, and it sets now, at 4:38 this afternoon. Remember standard time. I hope you remember that by now. All right, tonight, or I should say tomorrow, we expect temperatures about like today. The good news for tomorrow, a little more sunshine and a lot less wind. 53s for Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy. We should see 53 in the Wenatchee area as well. Just a tad cooler as you head north from Entiat to Chelan and up into Omak. Leavenworth 51, Cashmere not too bad tomorrow at 52 degrees. All right. Temperatures, and as we go into tonight, mostly cloudy skies. There is that wind, and that's going to continue into about midnight into our early morning hours. We will see a chance for scattered mountain showers tonight with low temperatures primarily near about 40 degrees. For Tuesday, mostly sunny and breezy. I'm talking winds about 10 miles an hour tomorrow, so it shouldn't be terrible. High temperatures in the low 50s for your Tuesday afternoon, and then we are in for some beautiful weather both Wednesday and Thursday. Ridge of high pressure up into British Columbia, high pressure in eastern Washington. That's going to make for some nice weather conditions. 50 degrees your high temperature on Wednesday, so that'll be a little bit above normal. On Thursday, we're going to stick with those clear skies. 1, 2, 3 areas of high pressure, and that usually keeps us pretty clear. We'll see high temperatures on Thursday in the low 50s, and then the first of 2 pretty big storm systems begin to push in. We'll see increasing clouds from that area of low pressure on Friday. Rain will develop probably around midnight or so. Early evening showers, mainly in western Washington. Low 50s your high on Friday. And then by Saturday, here comes that storm. A 60% chance of, this is our Saturday morning. Things will get a little bit better for us in the afternoon. Just some scattered showers Saturday with high temperatures in the low 50s. And then that moves east, and here's our next storm. It'll begin moving in on Sunday afternoon, a 60% chance of mainly evening showers. This is about mid-afternoon, but as we make our way into the evening, that's our best shot on Sunday with high temperatures again right around 50 degrees. So we'll have a break from the wet stuff and then right back to it by the weekend. 39 overnight tonight, mostly sunny, still just a tad breezy tomorrow, and 53. These are our 2 best weather days. Wednesday Wednesday and Thursday. Sunshine, calm weather conditions with temperatures in the low 50s, and then it gets wet once again. About midnight, our rain will fall on Friday, bringing morning rain on Saturday and 53, and then the next storm moves in on Sunday with cloudy skies, a 60% chance of evening rain with a high temperature then of 50 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.